Systems Plus Computer Institute was established in Quezon City as the second branch of Systems Plus Computer College Foundation Inc., located in Balibago Angeles, Pampanga. It started offering software package courses for students and professionals who wanted to learn computer education. The school was renamed Systems Plus Computer College in preparation for becoming a four-level education institution. The school broadened its offered courses to bachelor degree programs. Systems Plus Computer College was one of the pioneers in Quezon City that offered computer programs. This was the school's contribution to the increasing global demand for its professionals. Stay organized, keep track of your classes, assignments, and deadlines. Use tools like planners or digital calendars to manage your schedule effectively. Your professors are not mere educators but seasoned guides, leading you through a labyrinth of code, algorithms, and circuits. Each lesson is a new level in the game of learning, filled with challenges to overcome and puzzles to solve. But fear not, for with each challenge conquered, you level up your skills and abilities. General Academic Strand, GAS. Unlike other strands that are designed for specific disciplines, the General Academic Strand is an academic track for students who are still undecided about which track to take or what degree they want to pursue in college. A student who can finish this strand can pursue any college program. Humanities and Social Sciences, HUMSS. In HUMSS, students will learn about the fundamentals of human nature and how those traits have influenced a range of societal phenomena, such as the arts, culture, religion, literature, and even politics of the day. Accountancy, Business and Management, ABM. ABM strand makes business-focused college degrees available. Aspires to create the future group of corporate leaders. The foundational concepts of accounting, business operations, and financial management are covered. Information and Communications Technology, ICT. ICT is offered under Technical Vocational Livelihood, TVL, track. It opens up students to computer and programming-related careers. It will equip students with basic to advanced knowledge of computer systems, programming, web design. Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, BSBA. The Operations Management program prepares the students to manage the operations of manufacturing, agribusiness, as well as service enterprises, focusing on the need to effectively and efficiently produce and deliver products on time and within budget. Specific professions: Manager, Management Trainee, Bank Clerk, Project Assistant, Logistics Management, Personnel, Technical Staff, Warehouse Assistant, Entrepreneur. Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, BSIT. The Bachelor of Science in Information Technology program includes the study of the utilization of both hardware and software technologies involving planning, installing, customizing, operating, managing and administering, and maintaining information technology infrastructure that provides real-world business computing solutions to address the needs of an organization. Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, BSIT. The program prepares students to become IT professionals with primary competencies in the areas of systems analysis and design, applications development, database administration, network administration, and systems implementation and maintenance. Specific profession: Web and Mobile Applications Developer, Internet of Things Developer, Database Administrator, Systems Administrator, Network Administrator, Information Security Administrator, System Analyst, IT Project Manager, IT Researcher, IT Consultant, Technical Support Specialist, Quality Assurance Specialist. Halina't tunghayan ang aming selebrasyon sa Buwan ng Panitikan at Kalutong Pilipino 2023 bilang pakikiisa. Nagsagawa ng mga patimpaklak at aktibidades ang SPCCQC, gaya ng PAGLIGSAYAW, paligsahan sa pagsayaw ng mga katutubong awitin, literary fair at food fest, pagtatampok ng mga natatanging panitikan, kultura, tradisyon, pagkain at natatanging kasuotan ng bawat rehiyon sa Pilipinas. Alinsunod sa itinakdang proklamasyon BLG 968 na nilagdaan noong ika-10 ng Pebrero taong 2015, na nagdedeklara sa buwan ng Abril bilang Buwan ng Panitikang Pambansa o National Literature Month na may temang Buwan ng Panitikang Pambansa 2023 ay kultura ng pagkakaisa, pagpapaalab ng pagkakaisa sa pamamagitan ng panitikan. Students from different programs and strands competed in a battle of brains through Jeopardy last June 6, 2023 at the SPCC Audiovisual Room. It was a fierce competition, but in the end, the grade 12 students of the senior high school department took home the victory. Students were able to showcase their knowledge and gain new learnings through the activity.